Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here. Today I am participating in a challenge. This is the monthly Look for Less challenge that's being hosted by Yami over at the Latino next door, and this month's co-host is Lindsey from Doma Home. And what they have asked us to do is find a high-end decor item for your home and recreate it. And what I'm going to be recreating is this teapot. I'll be using this basket from the Dollar Tree, this clear plate from the saucer from the Dollar Tree also. I'll be using some garden gloves, my wire cutters, and of course some glue and zip ties. So I insert a picture of the item I found online. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take this handle off. Then I'm going to take these two little loops off the top of it. This was a hard task. Let me just tell you this. This seemed like a simple DIY, but this was one of the hardest ones I've done this year. In the inspirational video, she made it seem easy, but it wasn't easy for me. I think she's used to working with the wire baskets, and I'm not. Okay, I finally got the little loops off the top. And what I'm going to do now is cut the bottom piece off. I'll finish cutting this and I'll be back. Okay, I got it all cut off. Now I'm going to put my gloves on because I don't want to cut my hand. And I'm going to mold this basket into a teacup, or at least what I think is a teacup. So I'm going to fold the bottom. I'm going to use this dryer ball to help me mold the basket into a teacup. Just shape it and mold it. Squeeze the top. Later on, I'm going to squeeze the bottom together also. I don't think I did that on camera though. Mold and mold and mold till you get it to your desired look. Now I'm going to cut the inside of the bottom piece from the wire, I guess you'll say. So So I have that all cut out. Now I'm going to place that wire piece in the bottom of my basket, which is kind of challenging to do because it has so many holes. So I am going to attempt to glue it down with my Duro glue that I love, my all-purpose Duro glue that I got from Walmart. I ended up making a mess with this glue, but I finally got it to stick later on in the video. Now place that in the bottom. Place something heavy on it so it can stick. I've already spray painted my saucer black, so I'm letting that dry as I'm getting ready to mold this handle into a curvy handle. That was challenging also. So this was a challenging DIY. That wire is hard to mold. Finally got it in a decent shape, and now I'm going to attach it to the sides with the zip ties. I decided to turn the saucer upside down. I like the way that looked better. And stay tuned for the finished look. I'm gonna add a label to it and display it in my kitchen. So stay tuned.